What's going on? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make up to $100 per day as a kid. You do not need to invest even a single penny from your pocket, and even it is very easy. It is very much easy. Okay, and if you are very much excited for the method, smash the like button now. And if you are new to the channel, on this channel you will find videos related to business, related to making money online. So if you are into those things, go below the video and subscribe to the channel now. And after you subscribe, you can also comment down like I have subscribed or hi, so that I can read the comment and reply to you and welcome you to the family, because I am very excited now you are part of the family. Okay, so now the method which I'm going to reveal in this video is very simple. You just need to give value to others. But here is this, in this method I'm going to tell today some tricks. Okay, I have told about this methods in previous video, but in this method there is some trick which I'm going to reveal. Okay, that's basically will help you to grow very much income, your income fast. The first thing that you need to do is go to the any guy who is asking questions. What do you need to do? Just go and answer his question with a very valuable answer. Okay, very valuable, so that he will be amazed with you. Okay, he's gonna engage with you and whatever it is, but he should feel that you are providing him value. You are not just pitching him. You need to do this. Thereafter, what you need to do, if he is having you have built trust with him, what you can do then, you can easily sell him anything whatever you want, and absolutely he is gonna to buy because he now trusts you. But where can you find these guys? Everyone is aware of the Quora, but no one is telling you about the trick that's in it. The trick that everyone is using, but no one is revealing that trick. These questions, some of these questions are, you can see that this is about 2 to 3 years ago. So how we are going to get the answer in this question? We will not be able to rank at the top for this answer. And further, this answer has been gone too much old, that there is no way for doing answering these kinds of questions. So what do you need to do? Just go to the google.com, and thereafter you need to do whatever you can, like make money online or whatever you want, make money online. Thereafter you need to write something like, you can do Quora, so that it is going to reveal results relating to the Quora. Okay, furthermore, what do you need to do then? You need to select the time barrier. You need to go with the time. For example, just like last week, or it's the last day, past day, and something like that. You do not need to go for years and years. Just go over here and click the tools over here, and there anytime you can change anytime to past 24 hours, past week. I'll suggest you to go with past week. Now whatever the answer you will get, they all are waiting for your answer, and they will be able to rank much better in the Google, because Quora is a very high domain authority, a high authority domain. So it is really gonna to rank high in the Google, and for most it is gonna to rank 1 in the Google. So what you can do, you need to write the answers for which the guys are waiting. You do not need to go back to and write for the answers questions which are 2 to 3 years old, and whoever and they have even got their answers. So you need to go take care of this, and when you are going to answer these questions, you will get tons and tons of traffic. You can see over here, this is a old question, but these questions generally get about thousands and thousands of views. So you can really make a bunch of money, a large amount of money from here. Okay, this is the first thing you can do. The second thing what you can do is, you can just go to the yahoo.com, Yahoo Answers. Basically Yahoo Answers is better than Quora. Why? Because people are not answering the questions over there. So the less number of questions there, the higher the ranking will be better. And even the traffic on the Yahoo Answers is less, but who cares? If there is enough traffic that you can make a bunch of money, what's bad in that? You can do the same thing over here. Just come over here, search for the questions, and here is also the, you can see over here are the filters: past time, anytime, past day, past week. You need to go with the past week, or something like past day will be too much, so you can go with that. Okay, The third thing that I'm gonna to tell you is this is very much important, and with which you can make up to $1,000 a day if you are gonna to do this in a right way. What you need to do, just go to the Facebook and thereafter start joining groups in your niche. For example, we are gonna to take here woodworking niche, okay, woodworking creations. We are gonna to go over here. There are lots and lots of guys in the groups. Okay, just wait for a second, it's loading. I think let me just see. You need to go in the groups and start joining the groups. Here is only, yeah, here are groups. You need to join all these groups. 2000 members, 168 members, and thereafter 144 members. The number of persons are less because it's less competitive than others. Okay, what you need to do, just go in the groups and start answering the questions. They will, after some time, they will see you as an authority. They will think that you are the expert in this field. So what they will do, whatever you are going to tell them, they are going to trust you, they are going to listen to you, they are going to follow you. So that's the time when you can make a bunch of money. You need to do the attraction marketing. But what's the attraction market? For example, you can do like you can create a post like so you can also create some post something like this, but don't just spam others. Okay, you can do like something free guide to make over $100 every single day and something like that, but never add link, because link will reduce the post engagement. Okay, so what you need to do, you can write over here, just let me just show you over here. Just add any picture like that, and after that what you need to do, free training to make over $100 every single day, $100 per day. Okay, so if they are going to make over $100 and they are getting this training absolutely for free, they are definitely going to enter. So you can now write over here, want free training, comment info. So what it will do, actually you can really get a large amount of traffic from here, but the thing is these people are not doing it in the right way. Want free training, comment info. So what they are gonna do, they are they will comment on your posts. Okay, I'm not gonna make post this. Okay, what they are gonna to do, just like this post, they are gonna to do info and something like that. You can see info. The more and more the comments and likes there will be, the more the Facebook is gonna to send them to other person. Otherwise it will be buried under the group, into the large numbers of posts in the group. The more and more engagement you will get, the more and more guys guys are gonna to see this. See, over 50,000 members. If you will get a ton of engagement, you can at least get about 50 members from here, and out of just 50 are gonna to buy your out of 50, just 5 are gonna to buy your product, because you are answering their questions, you are solving their problems. Do not just spam them, give them value. Whenever they ask your question, be the first one to answer them, be the first one in the group to answer, show you as an authority. Okay, so if you are promoting just a $30 product, you can only make $150 from here only. And if I'll suggest you to go and build an email list instead of promoting an offer, then further you do not need to do these things again and again. You can just make money on complete autopilot. So if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want more videos like this, then also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And at last, thank you for watching.